Healthy Building Maintenance, brought to you by Eliezer Workplace Management Limited. There are amazing similarities between the human body and modern building systems. Just like we never give our bodies to quack nurses or doctors for treatments, building maintenance services should never be given to quacks to maintain. It may be too costly to remedy. Similarities between the human body and building systems. Buildings have characteristics like humans, and they actually expand and contract with changing temperatures and weather conditions. Buildings also age over time. The same way humans have hospital records that document their medical history, buildings that are maintained by facility management professionals also have building histories that tell a story and can be used to predict building performance and plan for future expansions and maintenance. The body system has skeletal structures, bones, to give it frame, rigidity, and stability. The building system has reinforcements for the same reasons. A body with a damaged, weak skeletal structure, bone, will only lay down like vegetable. So also a building with inappropriate reinforcement is a rubble's disaster waiting to happen. Veins and arteries of the body system are like waste water sewage pipes and water supply pipes of a building system. Just like a blocked, damaged, inefficient vein and artery could wreck the body system in no time, a faulty, inappropriate sewage and supply pipe can wreck a building. That is the reason why you see dampness in toilet boundary walls, green algae over wall surfaces, and some horrible-looking buildings. Neurons and nerves of the body system are like the electrical system and cables of a building. They carry and coordinate electrical activities. A malfunctioning neuron nerve can send wrong signals, cause body shock, or even blow up the brain. Madness. Just the way a faulty poor electrical system can burn down a building. Sweat glands of a body system are similar to the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning of a building system. It is for thermal regulation and comfort balancing of the system. Medical science has shifted focus from treating illness to promoting health and wellness through diets and exercise. Similarly, building maintenance services as carried out by facility management professionals became more predictable and as a result more efficient and more preventative. As such, your health and wellness no longer depends on luck or chance, but a carefully managed wellness regimen that depends on historical data, and this decreases the role of the unforeseen in healthcare through the use of digital technologies. Eliezer Workplace Management Limited is poised to promote and provide facility management services that is data-driven and carefully managed through a well-scheduled PPM regimen that prolongs building lifespan for building systems. Scheduled Planned Preventative Maintenance, PPM, planned building upgrades, daily, weekly, monthly, and periodic checks of critical building systems are all ways of ensuring optimal building performance. For the human body, medical checkups, diets, exercising are all ways to ensure optimal body conditions. Let's face it, the human body is like a condominium apartment. The thing that keeps you really enjoying it is the maintenance. There's a tremendous amount of daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly work that has to be done. From showering to open heart surgery, we're always doing something to ourselves. If your body was a used car, you wouldn't buy it. Our buildings can and should be strategic enablers for improved standards of living and enhanced work environment. The same kind of care we afford our bodies should be afforded the buildings we live and work in. These brands trust Eliezer Workplace Management with their building wellness. You should too.